Hey guys, I want you to check out this awesome video. I had a crazy opportunity where a real estate agent, because of the notoriety I gained through the Modern Victorian, wanted me to be in a video that will help them sell their house. They rented me a Cybertruck for the day. I just thought the thing was awesome. Me and my kids always love them. It's kind of like punch buggy when we see one on the road. And I got to drive one for a day, and I wanted to just show y'all some of the awesome features about it. I know this isn't construction related, but I think it's awesome, and I want to be putting out more videos that are just in the sphere of things I'm doing. I found it super interesting and fun. I think y'all will too.
So for the last 24 hours, thanks to my homie Darsh, I got to play with a Cybertruck. And this is the Foundation Edition, which is pretty sick. Honestly, I have a weird just connection. It's like a love-hate, like ugly cool. It's a freaking fun car. There's no doubt about it. Let me show you a few things. So first off, here's the key. Just like freaking Tron. Here's how you turn on and off the car. So right now it's on. If I just press this here, the whole car will shut down. So like if you had any windows down, music on, whatever, the car just shuts down. And then in the same way, to wake it up, you just press right here. Hello. And then you're like, what? There's no door handles. How do I get in? Well, you just press right here. Oh, hello, John. Come sit down. I think this is kind of cool. It's like Cybertruck welded. Pretty sweet. Obviously, the interior is like a spaceship. Look at all these like LED lights around it and up there. I think a really funny thing is just how ridiculously long. This is like 3 feet. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like absurdly long. The steering wheel is really cool. Kind of weird to grip, but I got the hang of it.
Look at this wheel. It's like Tron, dude. I'm plugged into the Teslaverse.
Check out the back. Pretty spacious. We had the car seat in here. Obviously, the whole entire roof is glass. Let me show you something else on the outside. So, you have the bed, which is pretty sick. At night, these LEDs are all lit up down the sides. But to open the bed, just press this button here. Hello. Then, I love this. Look, so that's your rear window. You just press here on the tonneau cover. Oh. I'm holding it. Look at that. That is so awesome. Like, now you're freaking theft, a little bit more weatherproof. Then just a press of a button, you're right back open. Dude, this thing is pretty damn big too, if you can't tell. I just love like all these linear lights. You got like this freaking sturdy ass bumper back here. What is this, steel? Nope, that's plastic. That is hilarious.
Something to get used to.
Dude, that is nuts. I didn't know it had that.
Yeah, like so it's showing all the cars around us, right? Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha.
Like I said, it's just, you gotta feel some type of way about it. Maybe you hate it, maybe you think it looks ridiculous, but it's thought-provoking for sure. Let me show you the inside. Okay, so once you're in here, you have all these different options. Like I can open the frunk. I just press this little button. And now the frunk's open. And if I want to close it, I just press right there. And then it's just going to close. I can mess with the suspension up or down. So you see ride height. if I want to go high, now, I don't know if you can hear it. Look, you see? The car is adjusting. That's pretty freaking cool. I can open and close the bed cover, open and close the tailgate. Here's how you start it. You take the key. This is 2 wireless charging pads for phones. You take the key, you just rest it right there, and then I press the brake. Now, if I want to go forward, I just slide that forward. And then I'm looking forwards. I have this really cool camera of my surroundings. Same thing, if I want to go reverse, I just grab this, I slide it back. And now you see all your different camera views. Same thing. I mean, that's just dope. Tap here to park. Or you can press here and you can choose your driving mode there. Another thing I do like is the blinkers. Just the weird little feature. You just click right here. So I press the blinker and then look, now it shows me my blind spot. If I go the other side, it shows me my blind spot. Blinker off. I mean, of course, the screen is absolutely ludicrous. Just like freaking technology on technology. There's just all this crazy shit that I can do. I mean, it was taking me, I took like 15, 20 minutes just to like muck with it a little bit. And still, there's so much more to learn. But again, honestly, pretty freaking fun car. I really like driving it. I don't think I would actually buy one, but it's cool. Oh, another thing. When I hit the AC, it comes out of this. It's like a slot, like a vent right here. All the air comes out of there. Just so many little like different things that are so weird compared to a normal car. And look, this area is so big, it has a window here so that doesn't blind you like another blind spot. Look at the rear view, this tiny little thing. And I mean, if you look back there, it's really all you have. But I mean, there's cameras everywhere. While you're driving, it shows you a camera behind you and in front of you. Well, of course, the other thing is it freaking flies. It's a Turo, so they have it like locked on this chill mode. But even here, watch. Oh, that's freaking fun. It like throws you back in your seat. Oh my gosh. That is so fun. It is very disorienting. Like I was kind of a little bit like queasy because I mean you don't hear anything and there's just like so much movement, so your equilibrium's kind of thrown off. But yeah, this car was a blast. 10 out of 10 would drive again. Maybe 3 out of 10 would buy. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I was pretty interested. Hope you are too.